Hello everyone, this is Atiq here again from PTE Study Center Sydney, bringing you 79 seconds for 79 plus. The topic for today is spelling conventions. Now, in general English writing, there are about 1,800 words that can be spelled using both American convention of spelling as well as British convention of spelling. Now, bringing this back to your academic writing, the expectation is that you not only have to spell the spellings correctly, but more importantly, just use one singular convention of spelling. So if you're using the American convention, you need to ensure you're sticking to that single convention and not mixing things up. For an instance, let's take a sentence from right from dictation. A meeting will be organized in the center today. If this is your sentence and you have spelled the spelling organized with a ZE, your objective is to not to use the spelling for center with RE, but needs to stick to ER for CE and TER. So the spellings needs to be at a uniform convention is the lesson of the day. This is Atiq again signing off. Thank you so much.